Think you know everything about solar eclipses? Think again. Welcome to a journey that will take you beyond the known, into the realm of the mysterious and fascinating. Today, we're unveiling the hidden wonders of solar eclipses, those awe-inspiring celestial events that have captivated human imagination for millennia. From cool cosmic phenomena to enigmatic shadow bands, and from acoustic wonders to varying shadow sizes, our journey will also delve into the fascinating cultural interpretations of eclipses. Prepare to be amazed by the lesser-known wonders of these cosmic events. Did you know that during a total solar eclipse, temperatures can drop as much as 20 degrees Fahrenheit? That's right. Even though these celestial events only last for a few minutes, they can have a significant impact on our weather. So, what causes this dramatic plunge in temperature? Well, when the moon completely blocks the sun, it essentially turns off the heat for a little while. The sun's rays, which provide warmth to our planet, are temporarily blocked. As a result, the temperature drops, similar to how it cools down after sunset. This temperature drop isn't just a fascinating phenomenon, it also affects the behavior of animals, who might be tricked into thinking that night has fallen. Some birds may even return to their nests. So the next time you witness a solar eclipse, take a moment to appreciate not just the visual spectacle, but also the cool chill in the air. It's nature's way of giving us a cool break from the sun's scorching rays. Ever heard of shadow bands? These are one of the most mysterious phenomena associated with total solar eclipses. Just as the moon takes its final bite out of the sun, a strange and wonderful spectacle unfolds on the ground below, the dance of shadow bands. Imagine thin, wavy lines of alternating light and dark, rippling across the landscape like the reflections at the bottom of a swimming pool. This elusive phenomenon is visible just before and after totality, when the day turns into an eerie twilight and the air is filled with a sense of anticipation. But what exactly are these shadow bands and why do they occur? Despite centuries of observations, the exact cause remains an enigma. Scientists believe they are likely caused by the Earth's atmosphere refracting or bending the last slivers of sunlight. Just as the heat waves on a hot road can create a shimmering effect, the layers of our atmosphere can distort the sun's light, creating these mesmerizing bands of shadow. However, capturing and studying shadow bands is a tricky task. They are incredibly faint and require a large, flat surface to be properly visible. Plus, their appearance is not a guaranteed event during every eclipse. This makes them a sought-after treasure for eclipse chasers, adding another layer of excitement to the spectacle of a total solar eclipse. These elusive wavy lines dance across the ground just before and after totality, creating an enchanting spectacle that baffles scientists and spectators alike. Solar eclipses aren't just visual marvels, they're also acoustic wonders. As the moon begins to veil our fiery sun, an eerie silence often descends, broken only by the whispers of the wind. But listen closely. You may hear sounds that seem out of place, sounds that defy the ordinary. Some eclipse chasers, those dedicated enthusiasts who travel the world to witness these celestial spectacles, report hearing a strange symphony of sounds. Imagine, if you will, the soft chirping of birds, as if it were the break of dawn, even though darkness shrouds the afternoon sky. Or the distant murmur of crowds cheering, their voices carried on the wind, even though no crowd is in sight. These auditory anomalies are as perplexing as they are fascinating. Scientists are yet to fully understand the acoustic wonders that accompany solar eclipses, leaving us with another cosmic mystery to unravel. Some eclipse chasers report hearing strange sounds, like birds chirping or crowds cheering, as the moon's shadow sweeps across the land. Get this. The moon's shadow isn't always the same size. You might be wondering how that's possible. Well, it's all about orbits. You see, the moon doesn't orbit the Earth in a perfect circle. Instead, it follows an elliptical path, which means the moon's distance from Earth isn't constant. It varies. At its closest point, known as perigee, the moon is roughly 220,000 miles away. At its furthest point, the apogee, it's about 252,000 miles distant. Now imagine the moon casting a shadow during a solar eclipse. The size of the shadow it casts on Earth isn't fixed. It changes based on the moon's distance from Earth at that particular moment. So during a solar eclipse, if the moon is at perigee, it will cast a larger shadow than if it's at apogee. Due to its elliptical orbit, the Moon's distance from Earth varies, resulting in varying shadow sizes during eclipses. Fascinating, isn't it? Lastly, solar eclipses have inspired some truly fascinating cultural myths and legends around the world. These celestial events have been interpreted in countless ways, often reflecting the beliefs, fears, and hopes of societies. In ancient China, for instance, eclipses were seen as a dragon devouring the sun, prompting loud noise-making to scare the beast away and save the sun. In Viking lore, two wolves chased the sun and moon, and when they caught them, an eclipse occurred. Native American tribes, such as the Pomo, have a more peaceful interpretation. They believed a bear was walking the sky, and upon meeting the sun, they started to fight, causing the eclipse. Down in Africa, the Bata Malabar people turned the event into a positive one. They believed it was the sun and moon fighting, so they came together to resolve conflicts and promote peace. From ancient fears to modern marvels, these celestial events continue to capture our imagination across time and space. So there you have it, some lesser-known facts that make solar eclipses even more magical. We've journeyed through these cosmic spectacles, unveiling how they can cool down our planet, project intriguing shadow bands, and even produce mysterious sounds. We've learned that the moon's shadow isn't a one-size-fits-all, and how solar eclipses have inspired countless myths and legends around the globe. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored, and solar eclipses are no exception. They are not just celestial phenomena, they're a testament to the intricate dance of cosmic bodies, a spectacle that continues to inspire awe and curiosity. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn and discover about our universe. So keep the spirit of exploration alive, delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, and let the stars guide your path to knowledge. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to Cosmic Knowledge HQ for more mind-blowing cosmic discoveries.